Hey there, drowning in a pile of paper receipts. Scanning receipts into FreshBooks using your phone's camera turns them into digital records instantly and ties them to expenses. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to scan them. Open the FreshBooks mobile app and tap the Capture Receipt button. Point your camera at the receipt. The app uses OCR, optical character recognition, to read the vendor, date, amount, and taxes. It then creates a draft expense entry for you to review, categorize, and save. You can also forward receipt emails to a unique FreshBooks email address to have them logged automatically. My crucial pro tip: review and categorize scanned receipts once a week. While scanning is instant, take 10 minutes each week to open the app, review the draft expenses, assign them to the right client or category, and approve them. This keeps your books up to date with minimal effort. That's how you banish paper clutter and automate your expense tracking. Do you scan receipts immediately, or do you batch them? What's your workflow? Tell me below. For more guides on going paperless, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.